Let's say I have this slope-intercept form of the line and I want to rewrite it in standard form. So to do that, notice that in standard form, my values with the x and the y are both on the left side. So we'll have to move this value with the x over to the left side. We also remember that a, b, and c all have to be integers, so they can't be fractions. So what I'm going to do first, because this slope here is a fraction, I'll just multiply everything by 3. 3 times y will give me 3y. If I have 3 times negative 4, I'll get negative 12, and then when I divide by 3, I'll just get back negative 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Then from here, since I want x on the left side, I'm going to add 4x to both sides. And then this would be my final answer. This is my equation in standard form. A, b, and c are all integers, and a is positive. This equation is in slope-intercept form. If I wanted to make it into standard form, I'm going to start first by multiplying everything by 2, which is my denominator. So I get 2y equals 3x minus 12. Then from here, because I want to get my x value on the left side of my equation, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Then I'll end up getting negative 3x plus 2y equals negative 12. And my last step, because I want the coefficient for x to be positive, that's a, that has to be positive, I'm going to multiply everything by a negative 1. This will change the signs for every term, so I end up with 3x minus 2y equals 12. If I had this equation in slope-intercept form and I wanted to rewrite it in standard form, again, my first step is I'm going to multiply everything by the denominator. 5 times negative 1, then divided by 5 is just going to give me negative 1, and then I'll just leave this as negative x. 5 times negative 10 is negative 50. Then from here, because I want my x on the other side, I'm going to add x to both sides. And so this is my final answer. A, b, and c are all integers, and a is positive. A, even though the number is not written, even though there's no number in front of x, we understand that the coefficient must be 1. And so 1 is an integer and it's positive. If you don't have a fraction in your problem, then you have one less step to do. So what I'm going to do is move the term with the x over by subtracting 15x from both sides. And then I'll multiply everything by a negative 1 so that I can make my first coefficient a positive. And then this would be my final answer.